How to get your Instagram account back after being suspended. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Instagram account back after being suspended. First, check the email from Instagram explaining why your account was suspended. This will give you insight into what might have gone wrong. Then, go to Instagram's support page and select My Account Was Disabled. Follow the instructions to submit an appeal. You may need to provide a selfie with your username and a code sent to your phone number. If the appeal process doesn't work, you can contact Instagram support directly. Explain your situation and provide any necessary information to help them understand your case. Next, ensure that your account hasn't been compromised by someone else. Change your password and review any recent activity on your account. Instagram support may take some time to review your appeal and respond to you. Be patient and follow any additional instructions they provide. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.